Hold on, let's turn it on. I'm scared.
I'm scared. Not yet. It's not that same wood, but look at that. That's sweet looking car. Dale.
Dale, dale. Suavecito.
Oh, no lo va a tocar, dale. No lo va a tocar.
No,
¿Ya está lo más atrás?
no, dale, un poquito más.
Ya va un pelín más allá. No le va a hacer nada. Dale, dale. Cuando
ahí.
Dale, dale. Un pelín más. Un pelín más. Un pelín. Ahí está. Ponle freno de mano.
So the process here is to take out this box right here, this 1, 2, 1, 2, and then you have to take out this one right here. Right now we're having problems with it, so we're gonna have to put WD-40, take it out. So we're in the process now of putting the exhaust system in the car. The funniest thing is that I bought this car about a week ago and I'm already putting all this stuff on it. I already have the test pipes and the exhaust system, so it's kind of fun. My friend doing it for me right now. I'm helping too a little bit, but the seat, it sounds good stock, but you need the exhaust system to like make it louder and more fun. The exhaust system that I have is the AAM short tails non-resonated, and then I bought the eBay test pipes. So also I'm not gonna put the test pipes today because he has to go somewhere and I don't know how to do it by myself. It's a lot of work, they say, so I'm just gonna put the exhaust on today, and probably next week I will just start working on the test pipes. So yeah, we are having some problems. The screws are really hard on there. We don't have WD-40, so it's a lot harder. If you have it, it's gonna be a lot easier, trust me. But yeah. Listo. Dale. Oh. Impresionante. We have been here for like what, 4 hours. It's just problems. There's just one screw that it doesn't want to come out, and we have been trying everything and it doesn't work. We're trying and it doesn't work, so we're gonna try to burn it a little bit to see if it can come out. But yeah, that's the update. And all done. Just gotta pick up everything now. Hold on, let's turn it on. I'm scared.
I'm scared too.
Woo!
Oh yeah.
that's it. That's it.
Keep building on it, you know.
Yeah. It's getting louder.
Oh, yeah.
Louder. There she is. First cool start in one day. Just this is the next day after installing the Aam exhaust, the short tail exhaust, non-resonated. It's really loud. I'm gonna show you a clip of the cool start. Yesterday was so busy. We had yesterday like 5 hours working on that in the car. We had like 2 screws that didn't want to come out. We were trying. We had a friend, shout out to Pedro. We had a friend that he's a mechanic, so he knew what he was doing, so he managed to take the two screws off, and then we installed the exhaust, and that was it. The first time I heard it, it was super nice, super loud. Like I have the test pipes in my house. I haven't put it yet because I'm like, I don't really know where to put it because it's really loud with the exhaust, and with the test pipes it's gonna be probably faster and louder. So I'm still thinking about it. So let me know what you think about it. Like after hearing the cold start, let me know what you think about it, if I should put the test pipes, and if not, I'll just sell it to, I don't know where, one of you guys, I don't know. But yeah, so right now I'm gonna go pick up a friend to take some picture of the car and make some videos with it, and then that's it. So yeah, this was the whole video about the installation of the exhaust. I didn't do the whole process because it's really simple. You only have to like take out the screws out and just put the new exhaust in. That's it. It's not complicated. It's just the screws in my car were so rusty, they didn't want to go out of the car. So that's maybe it. So yeah, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Probably installing the test pipes, who knows. I have a lot of ideas for the car. I will tell you in the next video. And yeah, see you.